Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power tilt down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.